Excuse me. I thought we got it straight. There aren't going to be any demonstrations here.
Tensions ran high in Richmond Monday night as City Council heard from the public about a proposed supervised consumption site.
How can I let my child have a better future here? Do you know how many nights I cannot sleep when I know the news?
The evidence is clear. Supervised consumption sites, such as Insight, such as those in Australia, such as those across the country, are safe and effective.
The meeting to discuss the merits for establishing a supervised consumption site at the city's hospital came a week after council passed a motion asking staff to explore the benefits and challenges of the potential site, which would be managed by Vancouver Coastal Health. Ahead of the meeting, hundreds gathered outside City Hall to rally against the site, saying they're concerned it would increase crime and public drug use.
We are mothers, and we want to stop supervised consumption sites in Richmond.
So I feel that this consumption site just was introduced very quickly without consulting the people here in Richmond.
Many of us are really concerned about our kids, our next generation, the impact that the site will bring into our society.
Similar concerns are raised in an online petition against the site, which had more than 19,000 signatures as of Monday night. The motion before council says supervised consumption sites provide a safe and controlled environment for people to use drugs, reducing overdose and risk of death. More than 2,500 people died from unregulated toxic drugs in BC last year, according to the BC Coroner Service. 26 of those deaths were in Richmond.
There's so much misinformation out there, mischaracterization of what we're trying to do. We're actually trying to make it better for the community here in Richmond and save people's lives at the same time and get them out of the circumstances that they're in.
A decision on the proposed site will be made at a later date, as not all of the more than 120 people who signed up to speak had a chance to address City Council Monday night. The city says even if council votes in favor of exploring a supervised consumption site in the city, it will be up to Vancouver Coastal Health to decide whether to pursue one. In Richmond, Monika Gul, City News.